PowerLink Machines presents an instructional video for the GMS20KS-AU specs, which can be applied to all PowerLink AU spec generator sets. The value of this genset is characterized by its ease of operation, installation and maintenance, its low operating costs, and service convenience. It is also characterized by its soundproofing quality, with a 67 decibel rating at 7 meters. Most work sites, industrial areas and residential areas have regulations on noise pollution, hence all PowerLink closed set generator sets are designed with the highest level of soundproofing. The interior is lined with fire retardant sound absorbing material, the doors lined with rubber similar to car doors. The inlet and outlet are airproof treated to further lower the noise. The machine is also characterized by the 24-hour fuel tank for all 300 kVA sets and below, with 110% capacity. All 30 kVA and under sets use the Deep Sea 702 controller, whilst all sets over 30 kVA use the Deep Sea 7320 controller. A 4-pole circuit breaker, a battery isolator and charger, central lifting point, forklift slots and tie-down points. Lockable weatherproof control panel door, galvanized steel canopy, powder coated paint, breather pipe for fuel tank, lockable battery isolator, 75cm fuel inlet pipe, a fiberglass soundproof material, and Schneider circuit breaker with RCD protection. U-shaped base to protect the canopy, radiator and alternator fan guards, and it is trailer mountable. The AU specs model uses a Deep Sea 702 control panel system with key start. The control panel readings will give you information on the amps, volts and hertz being produced by the generator. Oil levels, temperature, fuel levels and battery isolator output. The key start with warning lights. Voltmeter and ammeter preset output levels. Circuit breaker. Both 1-phase and 3-phase power sockets. And most importantly, an emergency stop button. Before starting the generator, it is absolutely necessary to perform a pre-startup safety check. First, you need to check all the fluid levels such as coolant, oil, and other lubricants. Make sure all fluid level requirements are reached before you start the machine. On the other side of the machine, you should check the fuel level, making sure the fuel cap is locked in place. Most importantly, you need to check the battery isolator and battery terminals are free of rust and fluid around the spark plugs, as well as any possibility of leaking fluids from the battery. To start up the machine, turn on the battery isolator switch as shown. Be sure to close the cap. Next, go to the control panel, turn the key and hold down the green button above. The machine will take around 10 seconds to start up. At this point, we can do a running noise level and voltage check. Check noise levels using a decibel meter. Basic noise levels of the genset are from 105 to 110 decibels at 1 meter. Again, if we open up the control panel, we can check the voltage levels, amps and hertz, oil levels, temperature, fuel levels and battery isolator. Check the voltage levels on the machine settings. Operating voltages should run between 8 volts to 35 volts on continuous power supply. Check the control panel readings. To shut down the machine, open the control panel door. Turn the key to the left. Make sure the machine has completely stopped before walking around to the front compartment and turning off the battery isolator. There are a number of benefits for choosing PowerLink diesel generators. Firstly, a long product life, characterized by a weatherproof canopy and global warranty. Secondly, low maintenance and service, also characterized by a 24-hour fuel tank and available spare parts. Thirdly, ease of transportation, characterized by the forklift slot, tow bar, and central lifting point. It is reliable, and gensets range from 6 to 2000 kilowatts, with ambient temperatures ranging from -15 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. And lastly, the genset takes steps to become environmentally friendly, with noise reduction and soundproofing technologies included.